I was the only person who was interested in making music out of all my friends in college. And it was tough for me because I didn't know who to talk to, how to venture off. I was in a 9-to-5 job. It was like a very safe route where I knew like I'll be fine in life, but I was like depressed and didn't really like what I was doing. And then I ended up like dropping college to go to Icon to pursue music fully. And when I was attending Icon, you start to realize, hey, there's like 30 of us in this class who share the same dream as me and we could connect. And fast forward later, when I play shows and some artists would be like, hey, I know you from Icon, I attended Icon. And it's like automatic, like that connection that we have. It's kind of weird. It's kind of like the brotherhood, sisterhood. Like it just feels like that for me. And I think that's the best decision I made.